want to talk about sorting and filtering in Excel. We have frequency of vehicles, vehicle usage across the states. Okay, vehicle usage across the state. You have the company, brand of vehicle, particular state, and the frequency. With this, you can sort. You can know the frequency or the number of average that we have, the number of excellent, the number of good that we have. You can also sort according to the brand of vehicle. How many brand of vehicle do we have? Then how many states, for which states are we using that brand of vehicle, and probably for company. All right, let us, for sorting, you can click on the column that you want to use to sort. It's very simple and straightforward. You can use the one we have on the home tab. From home tab, you go to editing ribbon. You have your sort and filter here. You can use any of the two: sort from A to Z, then sort from Z to A. And we also have our filter and custom sorting. For the simplest way of doing it, click on the criteria. We want to use company, so I'm clicking on B5 where we have AB Tech, and go to home button. From home button to editing tab, then I'll click on editing group, sort, then sort A to Z. We have AB Tech coming up and the whole thing. Let us undo. Okay, let us do it again. Click. Okay, let's apply color so that we will know if what we are doing is correct or not. You click on AB Tech. AB Tech, column for company, not necessarily AB Tech. We want to use AB Tech to sort. So you click on home tab, editing, go to filter, click on A to Z. Good. We have Holland, and every corresponding value of Holland moved accordingly. So we have sorted this according to the names of company. So let us sort according to the brand. Still home, editing, click on A to Z. So according to a brand of vehicle, now we have Acura. So everything has been arranged alphabetically. So we can as well sort by state and frequency. Let us start by frequency. We have average coming up to the last one, which is poor. So with that, we also have it under data. When you click on data tab, we have sort and filter group. It's the same thing as the one that we have used earlier. Let us sort by state here. Here you have your A to Z. Click on A to Z. So we have state starting with first letter of the alphabet coming up, which is Adamawa State. All right, let us apply color to our state. Column header. All right, so we have this. We can move further in our sorting. Let us go to data. If you have more criteria that you want to sort by company and by the brand of vehicle, you want to sort more than a criterion, you want to use many criteria, you can use your custom sort. Then you click on this. Here we have our table. Okay, let us start again. You have our table. You go to data tab, and under sort and filter group, you click on sort. Having done this, we have a dialog box. So sorting by what? By states. You want to sort by states. If you don't want to sort by state, you click on this arrow. So you want to sort by company. Then how do we sort? Is it on cell values or on order A to Z? So we have chosen this. We want to add another level, sort by company, then by what? By state. Just sort by state. So that one also by A. Order should be A to Z. Then you click. So we have it sorted by state and sorted by company and sorted by state. Right? For the company, it has been arranged alphabetically. It will finish one company. For Aptech, now it is arranged alphabetically. Kaduna coming up, K-O-Y. Then for Advent 2, E coming up before L. Then for C-Maker, we have Adamawa, which is A, E, E, and K, O for C-Maker. So Adamawa, Edo, Enugu, Kaduna, and Oyo State are coming up because we have sorted by company and by state. Let us undo. All right. Okay. This is how it was. Now let us sort by company alone. Our data sort by company. And don't forget, here we click my data as header. So you have to remember to click that once you have header row for your data. But if you don't have it, you can unclick. So you have to click it so that your header row will not be sorted along. Now let us click. So we have it sorted by company. Let us go back and include header row and remove the command that we have header row. So we go back to sort. Let us remove this and see what will happen. So you see that the company, the header row is also sorted along because computer believes that it is part of our list. So let us undo. Good. Having got that, we still want to talk about how we want to arrange, how we want to group our data or our information, and that takes us to filter. We want to filter this. So to filter, let us remove the header row. So I've deleted it. We don't need the header row. Let us go to still under data and under sort and filter. You click on filter. So immediately I clicked on filter, we have a drop down list coming up here. Let us undo. Those things are not here. They are not here now. But immediately I clicked on filter, so we have them giving us a drop down list. So we can make use of this to filter our table. How do we use that? Now let us talk about Toyota, the brand of vehicle. You click. When you click, we can deselect all, and now we want to see the brand, those that are using BMW. Click on BMW. So you only have Apex using BMW in Ogun State, and the rating or the frequency is average. Let us return everything. Let us go back, select all, then you return all. We have it coming back. So let us use the frequency. We want to see how many of them are having frequency to be good. You click. So if you want to print, you only print for good. All right, let us include, you can have more than one. You want to click for good and excellent, so we have more of them. You want to check for the company for C-Maker alone, so we have for C-Maker. So we have filtered this information. That is how to use filter. Let us return everything, select all, click OK. Here select all, click OK. So That is how to go about filter. You can use so many criteria as we have them here. You can sort by color, but we have one color here. Let us try to add more colors. You have, okay, all right. Now we want to filter by what? By color. Is it by this color? If you click on color, it will only return those that are having the color you have chosen. Let us select all and come back. Right, let us add this. Let's have it for Lone Tree, and let us have it for Relics as well. Right, let us return. So you click filter by color. Can we see? So we have many criteria. You can use as many criteria as you have them here. Then those that have no field, these ones have no color, we have returned them all. So it's very easy. So we are returning everything. So it makes your work easy. It makes your work presentable, and it saves you a lot of stress from trying to cut and paste, having more than enough sheets on your Excel workbook. Thank you.